So what do we have here, Spike?
We have a Hodaka ACE 100.
A Hodaka ACE 100, the original American trail bike. This bike is a 1968 Hodaka ACE. At least that's what I was told when I bought it, was a 1968. They built the Hodaka motorcycles from 1964 to 1978. There was around 150,000 of them built. There's some numbers on the frame and on the engine that will kind of give us a better idea of what size it is. We know it's 100cc because it is an ACE 100, but we're not quite sure it's a 68. We want to determine that for sure. So we're going to tear this apart and we're going to find out, and hopefully we'll give you a little bit more information about the Hodaka ACE 100 and the Hodaka motorcycles. But let's get to work tearing this puppy apart.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
We've been at this for a little while, probably a little over an hour. It's getting a little late, so I've lost my help. They all went to bed. And I think we made some good progress. We got the solenoid off, the horn, the hand grips, they were in pretty bad shape, so I'm going to get new ones of those. The clutch handle and the brake are in decent shape. I'm going to see, I may have to pick up some of those. All the cables are bad, so I'm going to have to replace the cables. I don't know how long this sat in the field, but it's definitely going to need all new cables. The engine pumps over, doesn't have a lot of oil in it, but I wanted to hear it. It sounds fine. I'm going to see if I can do a compression test on it, see if I can get any idea on if it has any bad rings or seals in it. The frame is in really decent shape. There's a little bit of rust here and there. Nothing that can't be cleaned up. So I'm going to take a break for now, and we'll see you on episode 2. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel so you can continue to follow our journey as we restore the 1968 Hodaka ACE 100. Peace out.